What is up, y'all? Welcome back to Banded Outdoors. So, we have a little update. Our friend Greg, the duck, had him in the little coop area, kind of kept him in that area for, 2-3 weeks. And then we opened up the area. The lady I got him from said like they'll kind of stay around the same area and like return to their home at night. But we let Greg out one evening, and Buddy went down the road like a half mile. There's like a wetland like a half mile down the road, and just hung out there for a day or two, and we never saw him again. So Buddy took off. So we don't have the duck Greg anymore. But today I'm gonna go fill the coop with something new. So the pigeon coop that was then a duck coop is now gonna house some chukars. So I'm gonna go pick up some chukars. We'll see how many we get. Right now I'm thinking we'll get like 10 chukars or so. We'll see what they got. But I'm gonna get some chukars to use for the dog as well. So should be fun. I'm looking forward to training with the chukars. I got some permission to go train on a field across from my house here. So my neighbor's got an alfalfa field over there, and then there's like some higher grass. There's a little bit of a wetland over there and whatnot. So I am going to train the dog over there a little bit more the next month or two, and use those chukars over there, put it in some cover, and develop, I guess, better bird scent recognition with Honey, and work on shooting over her and her retrieving. So that's the goal for now. But we're gonna go pick up those chukars, and we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, y'all. So we got the chukars. There they is. They are here. And we're gonna take these guys and put them in the pigeon coop. So old Greg in here had, the floor. He liked to sit up here and poop. You can see his little poop up there. But he had this little kennel. There's kind of more shelter inside the shelter. Just kind of if you need to get out of the wind or whatever it was. But we're gonna let the chukars in there, and hopefully, they enjoy it or whatever. All right, so we're just gonna let these guys go in here. Hopefully they don't fly, So that'd be kind of a shitty deal. All right, well, we've got them all in here. And hopefully we start using them here in the next couple days for training. So that'll be fun. Well, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys an update, letting you guys know Greg KO'd. I don't know where he went, but he's gone. And we now have Chukars occupying the pigeon coop. So, got some new Chukars. They won't be here long, obviously, because we're going to use them to shoot over honey and get her just kind of used to that hunting situation, I guess. Hoping to get some ducks here soon too, just to kind of use in the field for like retrieves, marking and doing retrieves that way. So hopefully we can find some ducks. I can't find any anywhere though. Been looking like crazy, but haven't been able to find any for sale in the area, other than like 2 or 3 hour drive. So we'll see what happens. But for now, that's the update. I appreciate you guys joining us today. And if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like this video, and check us out on social media. And don't forget to explore the outdoors.